Welcome everyone. Problem on solution. 0.4 gram of calcium carbonate is dissolved in 1000 gram of solution. Calculate the concentration of calcium carbonate in ppm units. Here given mass of solute means mass of calcium carbonate is equal to 0.4 gram. Mass of solution is equal to 1000 gram. We know that ppm is equal to mass of solute by mass of solution into 10 to the power 6. Now we put the values of mass of solute and mass of solution in this equation. Therefore, ppm is equal to 0.4. It is the value of mass of solute by 1000. It is the value of mass of solution into 10 to the power 6, or ppm is equal to 400. Thank you for watching this video.